In this video, I'll show you how to copy a table from ChatGPT to Google Docs without the annoying formatting issues. Sometimes, when you ask ChatGPT to create a table, things don't transfer over perfectly. Let me demonstrate with a quick example. I'll generate a table of the 10 best self-help books. Great reads, by the way. Highly recommend them. Once ChatGPT generates the table, you'll notice a clipboard icon at the bottom. You can hover over it and select Copy, or you can manually click and drag to highlight and copy the table. Personally, I prefer the click and drag method. It's just easier. Now let's paste it into Google Docs. See the issue? No table borders. To fix this, 1. Click and drag to select the table. 2. Click the 3 dots in the upper right menu. 3. Go to border width and increase the size. And just like that, the borders are back. You can also tweak the table using Google Docs formatting options, adjust column widths, change colors, and more. And that's how you copy a table from ChatGPT to Google Docs without the formatting headache. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, drop a comment saying, "I subscribed," so I can personally thank you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.